Okay, that was just my 1 box of cooked spaghetti noodles. I did them al dente. Now I'm gonna bring in my 32-ounce jar of marinara, and we're gonna put half of this jar right on top of our spaghetti. You can use whatever marinara you like. You can even make your own homemade marinara. Just make sure you use half of 32 ounces. I'm gonna grab my spoon and kind of just give this a nice mix inside our 13x9. Get those noodles nice and saucy. I absolutely love the Rao's marinara, and you guys are gonna love this easy family dinner. So quick, so delicious. I just had to make it for you guys because it is one of my favorites, but that looks like it is nice and well coated in our delicious marinara. Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna bring in a little bit of Parmesan cheese. You can use freshly grated if that's what you prefer, but I'm just keeping it easy and simple, and I already had this in my fridge, so I didn't want to buy any more Parmesan. Okay, just a nice little coating right on top. Extra cheese is always better. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with my frozen chicken patties. These are so delicious, you guys. I didn't defrost them, and we're just gonna place these right on top of our spaghetti. Okay, I'm gonna use 6 for this one, but you can do a bigger pan and use all of them, but 6 is perfect for this pan. Now that we have our patties set in there, I'm gonna bring in the rest of our marinara, and I have a cookie scoop here, and we are gonna scoop just a little bit of marinara onto each of our patties. That's why this big jar is perfect, because you have just the right amount to cover up our patties, but also get some in our spaghetti. Oh my goodness, this looks so good, so easy and delicious. All right, I'm gonna bring in some oregano for our seasoning. Just a nice little dash on each of our little patties. And then I like the heat, so I'm bringing some red pepper flakes, but you can season this however you like. If you don't like red pepper flakes, you can skip them. If you don't like oregano, you can skip it. You can add some salt, some pepper, keep it simple, but I want these to be nice and flavorful. All right, and you guys know I have to add some garlic powder to this because that is my favorite seasoning. Just a nice little sprinkle on each of our patties. Just makes it extra tasty. All right, and last but not least for seasoning, I'm gonna add some parsley because I think parsley goes so well with anything Italian. All right, we are almost done here, you guys. We have one last ingredient, and that is my Italian style 6 cheese blend, and we are just gonna go ahead and sprinkle this all over our dish. You can use whatever cheese you like. You can use mozzarella, more Parmesan, whatever you like, just place it on top, and this is gonna create the most delicious topping for our easy 1-pan dinner. Okay, let's go ahead and kind of spread that best we can. Perfect. All right. Our easy 1-pan dinner is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna cook for 45 minutes. Oh my, this looks so good, you guys. I did let it cool for about 15 minutes, so this is ready to enjoy. Let's see if we can cut through using a spatula. Oh yeah. So we got a nice dinner for a family of 6, all in 1 pan. So good, so cheesy, so delicious. Serve it with, a salad or some broccoli, whatever you like. Oh, look how meaty that looks. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if my plate is big enough for this. That looks incredible. Ooh, cannot wait to give this a try. Let's see if I could just get some of that chicken. Oh yeah, chicken with spaghetti. Perfect bite. That is perfectly cooked, you guys. Enjoy.